Hey, welcome back. Once again, we're at Autosport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Today we have a 2001 Chevy Corvette with 77,000 miles. A little higher than we normally get, but this car was just too clean to pass up. We bought it off a local gentleman that had it for a few years and figured we'd do a little walk around with you, go over it. It is a clean Carfax. It was just inspected, PA inspection and emissions. And we probably actually put about 500 or 600 miles on this car. So we're going to do a little walk around. If there's anything I missed, just feel free to reach out, give me a call, text, email, and I'd be glad to do a individual FaceTime with you or get you more pictures. So we're going to start in the front, work our way around. We'll go through the interior, show you the top, and go from there. So the black paint on this car is just super nice. It's not all scratched up, chipped up. Obviously, 77,000 miles, you're going to have a mark here or there, but nothing that is out of the ordinary. Along the front bumper, on the underside, is super clean. I don't feel any heavy scratches or anything like that. I mean, you got a couple little marks here or there, but again, nothing that would prevent you from buying this car. Take a look at the pictures on the website. I try to put pretty detailed pictures on there. That way you know exactly what you're getting, and hopefully the car is nicer when you get it than whenever you see it on the internet. Hood, fender, everything like that's nice and clean. Sorry about that. A little bit of very little bit of chipping in here. Tires, let's see the date code on the front here. 2021, so tires are like new. 5-spoke polished aluminum wheels, again, excellent condition. No curb rash on here. Even the insides are pretty clean. A lot of times they get super pitted. Again, just very minimal. I guess while I'm at it, I'll show you the headlights. Headlights working perfect. A lot of times those motors go. These ones are working perfectly. No issues there. Driver door. This is actually an upgrade here from the factory. I believe it's called the Preferred Package 2. I could be wrong, but it does have that on it, which kind of breaks up the black. Rear wheel, just as clean as the front. Again, 2021 date codes. General G Maxes. No curb rash, scuffs, or anything like that on this one. Same thing. Back is very nice, not chipped up. Nobody was smoking the tires off on this. And go around the back here. Okay, again, this car's pretty much totally stock. Whenever we go over the engine bay, I'll take a look. It might have a aftermarket air intake, but other than that, exhaust and everything's all stock. If you want to come around here, I'll show you the back. Tail lights, all nice. The chrome exhaust tip's nice, not pitted up or anything like that. It does have a chrome Corvette tag on the underside. You can see in the pictures if you can't see it there. Across the deck lid, super clean, no heavy scratches or damage showing. Trunk area is nice and clean. Let's see here. There's 3 compartments back here. Does not have the 6-disc changer in it, which is probably a good thing because they normally quit working anyways. Somebody put this in, gives it a nice, finish there. Trunk area is nice and clean. Again, black with beige interior and a beige convertible top, which we're going to show you at the end. Power antenna works fine, no problems there. It's not bent or creased. Rear passenger wheel and tire, again, date code 2021. Calipers were painted at some point. Brakes all look to be on the new side. And the car also just had an oil change and a battery installed, so keep that in mind. Passenger side, I really don't see anything jumping out at me. Obviously not going to be any dents in a Corvette, but even the mirrors are nice. A lot of times people scuff them, pulling them in and out of their garages. Same wheel, just the same as the rest of them, just as clean. The glass, there's no big cracks or anything like that. A couple little stone chips, but again, pretty much what you'd expect If you just want to stay there, I'll go through the interior with you here. Very little light scratch on this driver's side headlight. All right, so open up this door here. Okay, dual power seats. That was an option. Dash areas, seat bolsters, all very clean. No scuffs or separation in the fabric. Dash is nice and clean. It's not lifted at all. AC, dual climate controls. That's a nice option. Let's see. Tilt wheel. And does not have heads-up display. Let's see. I got 2 sets of keys with it. 6-speed manual. Always great in a convertible. It's getting harder and harder to find with decent miles these days. Cars get excellent fuel mileage, usually in the mid-20s, depending on your driving. The only thing I do want to mention on this car, every couple times you start it, it's a common issue. You put the key in, turn it on, it says pull key, wait 10 seconds. We've tried to have it fixed, but it does do that sometimes. Sometimes you get in it, drive right away. No big deal. All you got to do is just pull the key, wait 10 seconds, and then you're ready to go again. But again, I want you to be aware of it. That way when you get the car, there's no surprises. I'll fire it up here. You probably won't be able to hear much because of the microphone, but we'll go over the engine bay and show you what's under there as well. Yeah, so right now, no messages on here. There's no check engine lights, no airbag light, anything like that. Actually, 76,000 miles. I thought it was 77, so 76,000 miles. Here's the tail lights, turn signals. Again, we already did the headlights. They're all working fine. Reverse lights. And again, AC, everything like that is fine. I'm going to power it down here actually so you can hear me. Oh, I want to show you the top as well. What am I thinking? Tops are all manual on these cars, which I think is even better. Just lift this up, pull it up kind of like an accordion. The back drops down. There's 2 latches on the inside. I'm not going to latch it down, but really nice top. I don't know if this has been replaced or not, but the seal around the glass is nice. It hasn't fallen out. Nobody's tried to glue it. Heated defrost in it. Seals around here, I'm sure you can see over there, no kind of dry rotting or age showing. That nothing that would need attention. Put this back down just to show you. Fold it up like this. Even this rail across here is nice. Get this again. Got a nice clean trunk area here. I honestly don't know if this is the original top or not. If it is, I'm impressed. All right, engine bay. 5.7 liter V8. These cars get up and get with the program. Okay, yeah, like I thought, it does have an upgraded air intake. Other than that, looks bone stock to me. Again, battery was recently placed, oil change, inspections, whatever else was needed, we had done. So anyways, yeah, this is located at Autosport down here in Pittsburgh, PA. We keep a lot of Corvettes, Mustangs, Miatas. We're in an old fire station, so we do our best to keep everything inside. And you can check this out at our website, autosportco.com. And you can also call or text me at 724-388-4930. That's 724-388-4930. And if you don't see something in the videos you might be in search of, I keep a list of everything everybody's looking for, so I can always call you before I list something and try to get you into one of these nice cars. So give us a call and have a good day.